Guys, this is by far the best ever headset on the market. Hello everyone, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my videos. I literally post videos every single day. Guys, today we're going to be reviewing the blueparrott B350-XT. In my opinion, this is the most reliable, not only reliable, best price, best bang for your buck that a headset could buy. Let's just go off the basics, guys. Yes, it is literally lightweight, up to 24 hours talk time, and blocks out 96% of noises. And this is actually very true, and I'll get to that in just a second. So it can be found for almost at any truck stop, guys. I just bought this one at Pilot because my other B350-XT, which I'll get to in a second here, has actually stopped working. Now, these headset, guys, not written on the box, actually do have about a 48-hour standby time. Not talk time, standby time. So you have to charge it every other day, basically, or every 2 days, depending on how much you use it. Now, they do sell the B250, B450, and the B550. And I guess some of them come with 2 earmuffs or whatnot, or some of them do come with, let's say, 99% of background noise canceling. But 96%, this is exactly what it needs. So now let's go ahead and unbox this. So guys, here's what it comes with. Here's the headset. It has the muff and whatever, this thing that goes back and forth, and the charger as well, and additional earmuffs depending on your size of your ear. Of course, it has to come with instructions and warranty information. So the top button is the parrot button, that's for voice commands. This is the power button that you hold to turn it on and off or answer or reject calls, and these are your volume buttons, plus and minus. Now note, pushing 2 of these plus and minus buttons together will factory reset your headset. To pair, guys, you're gonna hold the power button for 2 seconds, and you should find in your settings, Bluetooth settings, the name of the Bluetooth of this blueparrott, which is, I believe it's blueparrott, it'll say, or BX350 or something like that. Depending on your device, it's gonna say something like that. And yeah, that's how you get it running. I do want to add, guys, this right here is adjustable to the size of your head and ears. And this is very comfortable, and you could adjust it any way you like or however you like. Here, I'm left-handed, so it's always on my left, but always you could do it on your right as well. This thing can be done for both ears, so if your ears hurt on one side, you can swap it over. But I'm a lefty, so I like it more on my left side. So after you have connected it, here's what you do. After you paired it and connected it with your phone, here's what you do. Anytime you buy a new headset, you have to charge it. So guys, when it blinks solid blue, that means your headset is connected. When it blinks solid red, or just blinks red, means your headset is not connected and has been disconnected. So guys, now I have it charging. When it's charging, it's gonna be just solid red. When it's finished charging, it's gonna be solid blue. Now, charge time, it depends on how much charge you got left in there. It charges anywhere from an hour to 3.5 hours. It all depends on when and how you charge your headset. So guys, this is what a 350 XT looks like after over 3.5 years of use. A worn out earmuff, it's a little loose, shaky like this, and a non-adjustable fixed headset. Why? Because if you're not careful and you bump into a lot of stuff, the quality of the plastic on top is not so great. So in my advice, guys, do not return these. Just use a whole bunch of electrical tape to make it happen. I'm actually gonna give it to somebody, see if they could fix this, give it to them if they do fix it. But it lasted me over 3.5 years. Yes, noise cancellation, 100%, like basically 96% is true. Like literally, I talk to people and they do not hear any background noise whatsoever. Very rarely, and seldom, or sound, whatever it is called, do they hear a background noise. They only hear me. Also, it's good to play music through there. Your ears kind of do hurt if you listen too long with one ear, and you could play almost anything through there, not only just talking. Standby time is 48 hours, talk time is 24 hours, and about the 300 feet of distance of it working from your phone, that is a lie. I have tested it out. As soon as I go to the back of my truck, it loses Bluetooth connection. Not sure if it's my phone, but I've tested it on myself, and that is a lie about that. Other than that, guys, it has lasted me a long time. Now, the only thing is, because it got old and it doesn't want to charge no more, that is why I had to go buy a new one. Other than that, these can last you up to 4+ years, especially if you know how to change the batteries out on these. You may never even need to buy one, but this one's been trashed around quite a bit. But as overall, guys, I'd say this is the best bang for your buck. I'm buying your blueparrott B350-XT. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 Turn right. This particular package, drive an attempt on the 6 Series.